Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make a watermark in Photoshop that you can stamp on all your photos. It's going to take just a few minutes and it's very easy to do. Let's get started. Okay, starting in Photoshop, we're going to go up and create a new document. We're going to start with a custom size about 1000 by 1000 pixels. And let's make sure we have 300 pixels per inch set as our resolution. And make sure your background is set to transparent. And then hit create. The next thing we want to do is add a new layer. We want to come over to our text tool and make sure we have black set as our foreground color. And then go ahead and pick whatever font that you'd like to use for your logo. And then just type in how you want it to look. You can, of course, reduce the size. We can play around with that later, but for right now, I'm just trying to get it down here to show you. So once we have this, we can do separate layers. If you want to move stuff around, I would definitely recommend that. If you have a couple lines of text, you can make them separate so you have a little bit more control over things. And then we can just move them around. You can even add in images if you'd like. I'm going to choose this custom shape tool and I'm just going to select a flower for this particular example. And once you have everything the way that you want it, we're going to go ahead and crop it down and get it as close as you can around the edges. And once we have this, just hit OK or the check mark to set it. Then we're going to go up to Edit, Define Brush Preset. And here you can name your watermark. Hit OK. And if you are on the brush tool, go up here where you would select the type of brush that you want, and at the very bottom of your list you should have your logo right here. So you should be able to use it to stamp onto your photos. So let's go ahead and test it out. Let's open a file up. And we always want to add a new layer when we're adding a logo or a watermark to our photos. And then we can choose whatever foreground color. If you want black or white or a different color, this is where you choose it. And then if you want to change the size of your logo, it's the same as changing your brush size. So you can come up to the size slider right here, however you want to do it. You can also use your left and right bracket tools on your keyboard to change the size. So once you have your logo the way you want it, you can just click and stamp it onto your image. If it's too dark for you, you can reduce the opacity. However you want to play around with that. If you want to move it, just go select your move tool and move it around. You can get it. Okay, so that can go pretty much anywhere you want to go. But that's basically it, guys. I hope you found this useful and easy to do. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe. Also, please share this with a friend and hit the like button. I'll see you next time.